missing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for a ton of cleaning and organizing motivation. I filmed this cleaning video during a recent trip to Florida where we stayed in this absolutely gorgeous Airbnb. You really can't tell how pretty it is because it is a hot mess disaster in here. I did not have a chance to completely unpack before we were going to the Disney parks, and so after only 2 days on vacation, this is what it was looking like. It was completely out of control, but don't worry, I'm going to take the time to clean up, tidy, and get everything organized throughout today's video so that we could enjoy the rest of our trip and have things run as smoothly as possible. I know I say this almost every single time that I talk about traveling, but my 2 best travel tips are to make sure that you book lodging with easy access to a washer and dryer, and also to completely unpack and organize everything. It really does make a huge difference whenever you are traveling, especially traveling with children or pets. I do usually try to do this on the very first day, but better late than never. One of my favorite things about this condo is how well stocked they were with cleaning essentials and that everything was accessible to us to use as needed. That is definitely not typical for the Airbnbs that we have stayed in. Usually I see them leave 1 dishwasher tab, 1 trash bag, and 1 Tide Pod that is intended to be used to wash sheets at checkout, and that is literally it, which is not too bad when you're only staying for a couple of days, but if you are on a week vacation or longer, an extended stay, it can be really inconvenient to not have access to basic cleaning essentials. So I was so pleased to find a vacuum, broom, dustpan, and everything that I needed to be able to clean up during our stay in this Airbnb. I did talk about that a little bit along with all of my other tips for booking an Airbnb or travel tips when I filmed my Florida condo tour for Patreon. I did share that already over on my Patreon as well as all of our travel vlogs, so if you are wanting to check those out, spend a little bit more time with me and see my family in a more casual setting, then definitely head over there. I'll leave a link down in my description box if you would like to sign up for membership.
And I take my breath away. And I love it how you sway. Hey, gotta make you a confession. Boy, you're the most beautiful I've ever seen. Like a king, baby, you're the one for me. Hey, pretty boy, I got a question. Do you wanna roll with me? Do you wanna stroll with me? Come on, baby. Boy, you're the ball. You're making me fall. Can't think about no one else. Only you in my head. Let's give it a try. Come on and baby, we'll fly right up to the sky. Hey, pretty boy, you're like, whoa, boy, you're like, whoa, boy, you're like, whoa, boy, you're like, whoa. I will never ever do you wrong. It's with you that I belong, and I never felt so strong. No, let's go and take it all the way to the top, baby. We will never stop. I won't let you go, no. Hey, gotta make you a confession. Boy, you're the most beautiful I've ever seen. Like a king, baby, you're the one for me. Hey, pretty boy, I got a question. Do you wanna roll with me? Do you wanna stroll with me? Come on, baby.
It is seriously the best feeling to have a calm, clean space to exist in. I swear when everything is complete chaos and untidied, I have so much stress and anxiety, but that all goes away the second that it is cleaned up, and it motivates me to keep going and tackle the other messes. So I'm moving into the room that my kids were sharing because I know if I was feeling stressed by the mess, they probably were too.
Think about no one else, only you in my head. Let's give it a try. Come on and baby, we'll fly right up to the sky. Hey, pretty boy, you're like, whoa, boy, you're like, whoa, boy, you're like, whoa, boy, you're like, whoa.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
This Lion King themed bedroom was so beautiful. There was a third bedroom in the condo that was also Disney themed, and again, I did share that in the Florida condo house tour over on my Patreon. The link is in my description box. But now I'm moving on into the main living spaces and going to tackle this complete disaster. It was a hot mess in here and looked even worse because it's so open, but the countertops in the kitchen were definitely the worst of it. So I'm going to start by getting those all cleared off and the kitchen all tidied up and cleaned before moving on to anything else.
I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me to stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Catch you on the flip side. Maybe we can be friends when you're not so fragile. When you know yourself well, somewhere down the sweet line. When I do things for me, 'cause I don't wanna be your therapy. I wanna be free, so ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me to stay, to stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la.
The tumblers in the sink are the new Starbucks color changing cups. I picked them up before our trip and we brought them along with us. I feel like we just drink more water when we have straw cups available, but anyway, I have got to say, we loved last year's version. The kids thought it was so cool that our drinks would change the colors of our cups, so when I saw these solid colored ones come out this year, I thought it would probably create a really cool ombre effect as you were drinking your drink and that my kids would really enjoy it. So I bought these ones as well, and I'm kind of disappointed with this purchase. They don't change color based on your drink temperature. Instead, you have to take them out in direct sunlight in order to see that color changing effect, which I do think is a little strange. I don't know, maybe I'm just being too picky about it, but if you are a Starbucks fan, I would love to know, what do you think of these?
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Get out of my way, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Get out of my way. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown. Before the clock runs
We are finally in the home stretch here. I just need to tidy up the dining table and pick up the main living room. I think my only complaint about this condo is the lack of seating in the living room, which is surprising because there's ample seating everywhere else. But anyway, this is where I'm starting out. I'm just going to get Kinsley's homeschool materials picked up and put away and everything else tidied.
Wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm crying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up.
It felt so good to see everything picked up and tidied and organized exactly the way that I was needing it to be. There really is no better feeling than having a clean, tidy living space. I did throw a load of laundry into the washer, but I forgot to film that. So just know it was going in the background. I hope that you all enjoyed today's video and that it gave you a ton of cleaning and organizing motivation. If you want to hang out with me some more, don't forget to check out that link in the description box and sign up for Patreon membership, where you can access all of our recent travel vlogs. Thank you so much for choosing to spend your time here with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Trying to fix me, but I don't wanna